I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna.
Come spend the day with me. So I woke up at 8 o'clock today because I got a package from Amazon and I wanted to set it up before my son woke up, which I did. And now I'm getting ready for the gym. I had breakfast already. I had oatmeal with strawberries and blueberries. I like to be fueled up before I hit the gym. So yeah. So today is upper body for me. I've been focusing more on upper body and back because that was never my thing, but I'm more of a leg day girl, but I'm focusing on back because yeah, you know, I need that hourglass back and I gotta get rid of my rolls, yo. And you know, it ain't a gym day without a selfie. So I worked out for about an hour, so now I'm about to get in the shower and get ready for my lash appointment. I'm so salty. It's raining the whole weekend, y'all. I hate driving in the rain. Sidebar, so yeah, nobody can curl up part better than me, y'all. Nobody. I'm at my lash appointment. I'm gonna come back when I'm done. She wanted to do some content with me, so I did a little bit of makeup. I didn't have time to record that because I was in a rush and I'm already waiting, whatever. But yeah. I don't know, I feel like I'm mad cute without lashes, but let's get them done. I take lash breaks here and there between, but yeah, come back, show y'all. Yeah. So much TikTok. Play too fucking much. You know what, girl? Give a fuck, my nigga. Content, baby. The girls is getting it together, okay? Okay. So I did my nails on Friday, y'all, but it still counts as spending the day with me because it's a part of my maintenance routine. So after that, I came home and I made my YouTube.